So let's talk about buying glasses online. And of course, me, I don't spend $50 on glasses. It's gonna be, probably the most expensive was like $48 or something. So yeah, we're gonna be smart with our money and we're gonna purchase glasses online. So I have experience with buying glasses online for over the past 10 years. My first pair was 2011, I think. Maybe actually 2010. I just remember the 2011 glasses. I bought them off of EyeBuyDirect, and they were purple cat eye glasses with tortoise shell. So they were just super fun. And I think that's one of the perks of buying glasses online, is that you get to try different things, especially if you're adventurous or if you like just break your glasses a lot, then I think it's worth it. But anyway, talking about longevity though, I don't have that first pair of glasses because often the arms of glasses will just break off or something. There's something about like the hinge right here where almost all of my glasses have broken there when I buy them online. But these are my just like one of my favorite pairs of glasses, so much so that I bought another pair that look kind of like them. But there's an issue with these, and I'll talk about that later. But yeah, I bought these in 2016, and I'm just gonna put them on for you. And they're just very neutral glasses. They're not too feminine or masculine. They're just nice, and the silver chrome thing going on, it hasn't like rubbed off or anything. And so yeah, these are one of my favorite pairs. I bought these off of, let's see, I have a little thing here. Yeah, so I bought these off of Goggles For You, and as you can see, I only spent, oh my goodness, is that all I spent on them? I'm clicking the wrong ones. Let's blow this up here. That's right, I only spent almost $17 on these. So yeah, I have to say I probably spent around $300, maybe more than that, $300 over the past 10 years on, at least 10 pairs of glasses. And so yeah, these I got in 2016. There you can see it's September 28th, 2016, and I still wear them to this day. And so now that we've put that aside, I'll show you these glasses from EyeBuyDirect, I believe. Yes. These are from EyeBuyDirect, and the issue with these is that I didn't really measure them too well, and I don't think they have the option of letting you try them on. You upload your picture. On some websites have this where you upload your picture and you can like put the frames on, but I'll show you. They're kind of too wide for my face, and I was kind of looking for something big like this, but like not so wide. And so one of the things that I highly suggest you do is measure your face. So you're gonna have to measure your pupil area distance anyway, if you don't already have the number for it. But measure, of course, in millimeters, because everything's in millimeters. But the same way that you would do pupil area distance, just measure your face and make sure the width of the glasses, they measure it from, end to end here, will be in that where you want, so you get an idea. I think that's probably one of the most important things about buying glasses online is getting the right size for your face. But also, as you can see, my nose bridge, I have like a really small nose and nose bridge. And so these like really they just stick out too much. And I probably could adjust these nose bridge things, but it would look weird. Yeah. So I didn't ever plan on wearing these. And I actually did a review on the website for EyeBuyDirect on these glasses, and you can actually probably see it there. I spent $39 on these, and with the lens it turned out to be $57, but I think I got like a discount on the total price. Let's see, I'm pretty sure I got a discount on the total price. Yeah, I did. So it looks like I got $20 off on that one, but I also bought another pair. And so yeah, usually when I buy glasses online, I only do it if they have some sort of like sale or something. And they often have them, like where it's, you know, 40% off on something, or if you're like a new customer or something, they'll give you some special deal. So yeah, that's EyeBuyDirect. And what's great about EyeBuyDirect is they have a one-time policy where, which I didn't actually know this, if you don't like your frames or something, they'll replace them once. Okay, so I actually didn't know, but I did a review on their website, and they contacted me, and I told them, like, you know, I don't plan on wearing these glasses. Like, you know what, actually I have worn them when I paint my house, right? I just want like eye protection or something, or if I'm like using the Dremel or something, you know, like they're like just huge for like lenses here, and so they protect my eyes pretty good, other than like this gaping hole around my nose. But so yeah, anyway, I got another pair, and I'm just gonna show you how they sent it to me. And I think there's like premium glasses that you can get where they box it differently. So this is just how I got it. Comes in this box, and I think the premiums, they have like a case, but since mine weren't considered that, they come in this little bag. And I actually really love these glasses. EyeBuyDirect has a filter where if you have like a short nose, I guess, like nose bridge, they have a filter for that, so you could just look at all the glasses that look good with like little noses. But also I really like the width of it too, and the tortoiseshell's nice. And actually I don't know what these glasses were called. Let me make this small. But they're on there. Actually, let me look if there was like something in here. No, they don't tell me about what these are. So there's like no receipt or anything in this, but maybe I already took it out. I have worn these already. I just wanted to show you how it was packaged. So yeah, there's that. I also bought another pair recently at Coastal, and here's the price for these. So they were $48, and they come in this box, and they have this little pretty sturdy feeling glasses case. Okay. I'm getting distracted here. It comes with a little wiper there. Wiper. And I got the Derek cardigan carry clears. So I'll show you those now. Let's open it. Oh. So these are like double bagged. That's nice. Very safe. And here's these from Coastal. And now I look like a doctor. So these are actually very similar to another pair I bought like 10 years ago. And that I didn't have because, of course, one of my arms broke off of the glasses. So yeah. I don't think I have. I've purchased from like Zenni Optical. I've purchased from EyeBuyDirect Coastal, like I've mentioned here. Goggles for You. I think I've purchased from Firmu also. And I can't really say that one glasses company is really better than another. They are, of course, from like different regions. I think Coastal is from Canada. I'm pretty sure they're based there. And EyeBuyDirect, I think, they have a place in Texas, I think, and China or Hong Kong or something like that. But of course, that's all on the website. You can just look it up. I know some people are really like, you know, care about that. But me, I just care about keeping the money. You know, I need money in my pocket. But I have actually been thinking more about like where I spend the money and not just the price of things. So, yeah, some tips for buying glasses online are just if you don't really know what you're looking for, you can just go in a store and try things on. And I just really like buying online because I don't have to deal with salesmen. I'm not very good with like telling people no. I have to admit. And so I just don't have to deal with that, and I don't get like pushed over. And so it's really beneficial for me to avoid human contact. I'm just kidding. But pretty much for the most part. Anyway, like I said before, measure the width of your face, and also look into like the company's policies. Buying online is usually pretty good. Like I said with EyeBuyDirect, they just refund you, you know, once. If something, I don't know, you have to look into the, I don't know all the like technical terms and things like that with buying from there. But I was like really surprised that they even contacted me about these glasses that I wasn't gonna wear, or even like look into like getting replaced from Coastal. So I was really happy about that. But one thing about these is I bought them last year, and it had only been like 3 months, and these somehow like the lenses got damaged also. So not only did like the frames not fit my face well, but like the lenses like got all like, they have like these smeary scratches on them, like they got buffed or something. And so I was just like, yeah, I'm never gonna wear these. Okay, so what else can I talk about? I also like that when you buy online, everything's up front. The prices are all there, you know, and then you don't have to buy it. If you don't like the price, you won't feel any pressure at all about just getting out off the website. And it's, you know, it's cool. But I'd say, like with this pair, you have the chance though of not getting something that you know you didn't really like. So it's a possibility. There's a risk here. Save money, possibly get something you don't like. So yeah, it's really important to measure and look at the measurements of the glasses, and they're all there. Like they tell you the width of the nose bridge and the height of the lens and the width of the lenses, and the whole width of the whole glasses. And I think, yeah, even the arms, they tell you how long the arms are. And with these, I just, like, if they're too wide, you can always just bend them. Like, they're cheap glasses. Anyway. And then also, you know, the wait time after you place the order, it's usually like 3 weeks, which isn't, I'm pretty sure that's not different than buying in store. You still have to wait for them to prepare your glasses, unless it's like, you know, they do it on site there. I'm pretty sure there's some places that do that. And you could probably get your glasses within a week or something, but it would probably cost a lot more for that. But also, another part of buying glasses online is that you have to make sure you, like, enter your prescription right. I know some websites, they won't let you buy glasses without you submitting a paper prescription. But I can't say that I've done that. I think you just type it all in, which, you know, there's room for human error there and getting, you know, getting all the numbers right and making sure you put your correct prescription in. And also measuring your pupillary distance correctly, which can be tricky. But back to the main point of saving money, which is the number one reason of why I purchase glasses online. Have I spent more money buying cheap glasses? I don't think so, actually. Because I've only spent, like, maybe $350. Maybe. Like, less than that. So, over $300, but less than $350. Over the past 10 years. And having so many different kinds of glasses to choose from. And knowing now what kind of glasses that I even like. Like, I have to mention that first pair again of the purple, like, cat eye glasses with tortoiseshell on the front. I wish I could show you a picture of them, but they're actually on the EyeBuyDirect website, I'm pretty sure. I'm so glad I don't have those glasses anymore. So yeah, I hope you you know, learned something and that this was helpful for you. Have fun.